Managing multiple brands without losing your mind is a challenge, but with the right strategies and tools, it's absolutely possible. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to stay organized on top of everything and keep your sanity intact. Trust me, I've been through it all, trying the most popular software and systems for managing multiple brands. And today, I'm giving you a solution that actually works. The first thing you need to do is set up a centralized system to track all the moving parts. This means using software that allows you to manage everything in one place. It's easy to get lost when you're juggling different brands, but with the right platform, you can see all your tasks, emails, communications, and projects in a single dashboard. Don't rely on spreadsheets, sticky notes, or scattered project management tools. They're a recipe for disaster. One of the best ways to manage multiple brands is by creating clear workflows and automating repetitive tasks. Set up processes that will run on autopilot, like scheduling social media posts, automating customer emails, or using chatbots to answer frequently asked questions. This will free up your time and mental space for the big picture things that actually require your attention. Speaking of mental space, remember, you don't need to be everywhere at once. It's tempting to check in on every brand all day long, but that's a quick way to burn out. Instead, schedule specific blocks of time each day or week to focus on each brand. You can even create a brand calendar so that you know exactly what's coming up for each business. Also, don't forget to delegate. If you're trying to do everything yourself, you'll quickly hit a wall. Hire people or use virtual assistants to handle tasks like customer service, content creation, or social media management. You don't need to be the one answering every email or writing every post. Delegation is key to managing multiple brands effectively. Next, prioritize and stay focused. When you're managing more than one brand, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the number of tasks. That's why it's crucial to break down your to-do list into smaller, manageable chunks. Focus on the most important tasks first and leave the smaller stuff for later. This helps keep you from getting bogged down in unnecessary details. Another strategy that can help you stay sane is to use templates for marketing, emails, and social media. By creating reusable templates, you can save yourself a ton of time while ensuring consistency across all your brands. You'll be amazed at how much more efficient your marketing becomes when you're not reinventing the wheel for each campaign. Lastly, remember that you don't have to be a superhero. Even though it can feel like you're doing everything yourself, it's okay to take a step back and reevaluate. Are there certain brands that need more of your attention right now? Should you focus on the most profitable or the one with the highest potential for growth? Assessing your portfolio regularly and making adjustments is part of being a successful multi-brand manager. Key takeaway here: managing multiple brands doesn't have to drive you crazy. By using the right tools, creating clear workflows, and delegating tasks, you can stay organized and keep everything running smoothly. Set up a centralized system, automate where you can, and remember to prioritize. Before we close off, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we've been talking about. The link is in the description below. This is a great way to test out the system for yourself and follow along with the strategies I've shared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.